Alright guys, I'm here with Trail Build 4 I think. Gonna just do our bike check and maybe a bit of the trails. Alright, so this bike I got it for 20 quid off Facebook Marketplace. It's a Haro F3 series, 20 inch obviously. Got some stickers on here for motocross because the person I bought off rides motocross now. It's got some pretty good road tires on. They're a bit limiting out here because the brake can lock up the wheel but the wheel just skids. And got these pedals, they spin fairly well. Not the grippiest, but I don't really want to spend any money of it because pedals alone would almost be more than the bike. This chain ring is a bit bent, which is funny. Yeah, the chain messes around a bit, and then this, I've lost the retaining thing for it, so it sometimes loosens up and almost falls off. So funny. Got a seat. That is normal rail seat. Got a few cuts in it. Right, then got these grips. They're just Bontrager grips. I got them off my friend Malin because mine were pretty bad, and he offered me them. Got this brake lever set up pretty good. It used to be way worse. It would almost touch the bars. It was like stupid funny. Alright, so that's the bike. Now I'm just going to go down the trail, show you a little thing that me and him have built just now. It's a bit, you know, it's not that big of an add-on, but it works nicely. So here we've got, you should just stop about here. Now we've got a roller. It's nice. Comes down, and then here it's a bit scary because it was pretty off camber, but I sorted that out. We're probably going to be a berm here, and it continues through. I haven't done this bit. Down through here, bit of an annoying bump. That'll probably be a roller, and then it'll join up somewhere here, go to the normal path over there. This nears the big 15-footer. Alright, and that is most of the update. I haven't really updated the hip. I've just cut a bit more grass around it. Malin says it's way too small, so I'm gonna have to make it bigger. But alright, like and subscribe. Bye.